Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how demand management works in ServiceNow and understand the complete life cycle of converting an idea into a demand. Before we jump into implementation, let's first understand what demand management is because this is very important. Demand management is a process used to capture, evaluate, prioritize, and track business requests or ideas before they are converted into projects or strategic initiatives. In ServiceNow, demand management mainly helps organizations capture new business ideas, evaluate business value and feasibility, prioritize requests based on risk and impact, track the life cycle from submission to completion. In this video, we are converting an idea into a demand and understand how the demand progresses through different life cycle stages. Now let's understand the use case. A user submits an innovative idea into the system. After review, the organization decides the idea has business value and converts it into a demand. So it can be formally evaluated, approved and tracked until completion. First, we need to navigate to the idea record. So go to Application Navigator and search for idea.list. This will open the list of all idea records available in the system. Now select the idea that has already been reviewed and is ready for conversion. In our example, we are using the idea title One Click Add to Knowledge from Ticket Resolution. Click on the idea title to open the full record. Inside the idea record, you can see the details like title, submitted by, idea description, task, and state. This information gives the complete business context of the idea. Now, the next step is to convert this idea into a demand. At the top of the idea record, click on the button called Create Task. A pop-up window will appear with the title Convert Idea to Task. Inside the dialog, you will see a field called Select Task Type. From the drop-down, select Demand. This tells the system that the idea should now be formally managed as a demand record. After selecting the demand, click OK. The system will automatically create a new demand record and link it back to the original idea. Next, we move to the demand module. In the Application Navigator, search for demand and open My Demands All or All Demands. Here, you can see the newly created demand record with a generated demand number, and the stage of the demand will be draft. In the related links, click on Workbench, Demand Workbench. This opens the Demand Workbench, which is the central workspace used to manage the complete life cycle of the demand. Then click on the demand record. Inside the demand record, you can see important fields such as demand name, demand number, category, type, approved start date, approved end date, planned start date, planned end date, and description. And you can also see details, business cases, financials, assessment data, notes, and preferences. You will also notice that the description from the original idea is automatically copied into the demand record. This ensures that all business context is preserved during the conversion process. Now let us understand the demand lifecycle stages. At the top of the demand workbench, you will see a lifecycle progress bar that shows all the stages of the demand goes through. Stage 1. This is the initial stage where the demand is created. In this stage, users can still edit and review all the details before formal submission. Stage 2 is submitted. Once all required information is completed, the demand owner clicks Submit Demand. The demand is now officially submitted for evaluations and the stakeholders are notified. Next, it is screening. In this stage, the demand management team reviews the demand to check feasibility, alignment with the business goals, and completeness of the information. Next stage is qualify. If the demand satisfies all screening criteria, it moves to qualify. Here, organizations analyze risk, business values, resource requirements, and prioritization. Next stage is approve. After qualification, decision makers review the demand and approve it for execution. Budget, timelines, and planning activities are finalized during this stage. Next is completed. This is the final stage where the demand has been successfully delivered or closed. The record remains in the system for future tracking and reporting purpose. That's how demand management works in ServiceNow and how organizations can convert innovative ideas into a structured business demand for proper evaluation and execution. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ServiceNow learning content. Thank you for watching.